Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring a stable connection and the correct Google account. This avoids partial downloads or mismatched app versions. Once connected, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. You do this because app updates are managed per account and device. Failing to pick the right account can block updates. After tapping your profile, select Manage Apps and Device so you can see pending updates and start the actual update process without delay. Once done, go to Updates Available or Manage Apps and Device and choose See Details so you can find YouTube quickly. You should locate YouTube in the list. If it's not visible, use the Play Store search and open the app page directly. This reveals whether an update is available and any required permissions. Tap Update to begin. While it downloads, permissions or background restrictions may appear. Address those prompts, because they let the updated player run media and notifications properly. After tapping Update, wait for installation and then tap Open to launch the updated YouTube player. You do this to confirm the new features or fixes are active. Make sure to check the version in the Apps About or Android settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow YouTube, which verifies the update applied. If playback or login problems occur, restart the phone first and clear the app cache. This resolves most conflicts. If that fails, uninstall updates or reinstall the app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.